Hi friends, today we are going to see how to troubleshoot the issue if you are not able to log in with Jenkins. I have installed the Jenkins. I tried to log in Jenkins with the admin default username and password, but I am not able to log in. It shows invalid username and password. Right now I am going to my server. So I am in the Jenkins home folder where I installed the Jenkins. So before doing some configuration change, I am going to stop the Jenkins service. This will stop the Jenkins server so that we can change the configuration and try to. uh, Once you change, we cannot see the Jenkins coming up in the browser because we made the service down. Now what I am going to do is I am going to edit a file in Jenkins folder called configuration.xml. Okay, I am going to use a VI editor config.xml escape I insert mode where I am going to make it use security as false. Okay, so use security by default it is true. I am going to make false. Now I am going to save this file. So this is because I the editor without using sudo. So let me use sudo config. Now I will go to this use security false. Now what I will do, I have to start the Jenkins server. Service Jenkins start. So we made the security parameter in the config.xml file as false. Now I have started the service. If you go and check, you will see Jenkins server is running and it will prompt for the login. Now we need to set a password for it because anyway the UI designed in Jenkins is a basic authentication. Let's wait for the Jenkins to come up. It takes some time when you restart and start the service. In the meantime, I will go to the Jenkins folder and there is you need to use user admin configure. I will just keep it over here. Jenkins server has been logged in without any authentication. It is not asking admin password or username. Now we should go to the user admin configure. Either you can go like this or you can go like this. Now I am going to set a password. So here you can see the user is if there are any public key or token authentication you can have it. So we have created the user. Now admin has created. Go to save. Now what you have to do is go to configure. Yeah, we already go to Jenkins, manage Jenkins, and then go to global security policy. Then now you need to enable your security and re-enable your security reclaim Jenkins own database. Okay, save. So and go to manage users and you can see username admin. Now go to settings if you want to. Here is the password. Now I'm going to set the password. I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to log in using admin password, the password which I have changed now. So guys, it's very simple. Now I have able to reset the password of admin even you forgot it. So here I'm going to see the vi file again, and you can if you see use security became true again because we have enabled over there. So this is the easy way you have troubleshooted the Jenkins server even you forgot your admin password. Hope you like this video. Please like it, and if you follow my videos, subscribe it. Thank you guys.